quickly join them. I'll be right back.
Up till now, Nigerians, they fail to even wake up to know what they are really doing. Why should you just wake up in a day and you just think that somebody is getting hold of your destiny, holding it in your hand? The madness in us now, let me ask you, and I am a Muslim. I want a Christian now to come and prove to me, after these 2 months that everybody has been in lockdown, are there no witches and wizards? All the witches and wizards. All the witches and wizards now, are they all in lockdown? Are you getting me? The moment they release us now, the whole churches now will start seeing the witches and wizards of your family that is killing you. Your Alpha will see the witches and wizards that is killing you. The Alpha did not see the witches. Now you are in your family house. The witches in your house did not kill you. The wizard in your house did not kill you. For these 2 months, you did not think of what you are going to become of next, what is going to become of your near future. And you are not looking at the responsibility of you being at home to be of that of the government. Must government tell you to leave the express road before you come out when motor is coming? Motor is on a high speed, 120 on speed. Then you can't stand there and say, I'm waiting for government to tell me to come out for that place so make I no die. It is our responsibility, most of the things that we need to do. What are you eating? I'm putting this thing on because of 2 things. You see, 2 people, you don't fight 2 people. You don't fight madman. You don't fight government. When a madman is getting hold of a stone and he tell you that I will hit your head, already you know him that he's a madman. Don't tell me, can you do it? He's already mad. He will hit you. Nothing will happen. If government tell you, say, this is what they want, good or right, bad or good, follow it. For your own good. They will molest you, disgrace you, possibly kill you. Nobody is going to question them. That is why I'm putting this one on. It's not because prevent. What do they prevent? It come out. You swallow it. You inhale it again. Something is wrong somewhere. What is really wrong is me and you. We are not thinking. A lot. When we were forcing government, Buhari no talk. Buhari no talk. Buhari no talk. Buhari no talk. That time, people never begin to die. The people that came from China, the people from Ministry of Health, NCDC, I want to see a football match between NCDC, PTF, and EFCC at the end of this season. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? This is the big reason. When they came back from their own findings, what they tell Mr. President is, Mr. President, the only thing that can make anything to move for us to fight this or not fight this, after they must have finished settling with the Chinese, they said this is what we really want you to do. 48 hours after it, fellow Nigerians, that is Mr. President for you. He said, I feel for you. He said it in his statement. He said, I sympathize. He said it because he knew the repercussion of this when it come up. He immediately announced, Eko, coronavirus, don't they hide. They say that they pay for Ifakwajaye. I did, they never see where in the test. Are you getting me? Other states, who can see say Eko don't get billion. Now so we go they look. The bad people go for quarantine. They begin to dance. Then they do this thing. I mean no get sense. I mean you no get sense. No, answer me. I mean no get sense. I mean you no get sense. After that one finish, the thing can begin to grow. Do you know how it can grow well? When Nigerians started, when NCDC started merging Nigeria with China, with Nigerians with Brazil, they said we and Brazil, we started the same day. We have the same people. But today, Brazil are very far away in debt. And a lot of them in quarantine, in isolation. So they started looking for a way to do equation to balance. Now they bring out their own reports from what do you call it? Zamfara. We not tell you. All this one you publish outside, we not tell you. Zamfara said their own hand no day. NCDC has nothing to prove about it. Me, I told you when I was in your studio, I said, it's not that Buhari is full. He knows why he's not. Anytime they ask him, He knows why he's not talking of coronavirus. Any statement he wants to go and make, go and check Buhari very well. All the statements, you say COVID-19. Because it's different thing, my brother. That is different. That is different between coronavirus and COVID-19. I was telling you in your studio, you are not ready to listen to me because I not carry certificate. Come put for your table because Nigerians are working with certificates. Are you getting me? Americans, they planned it long ago. If you never know, I will show you the tape here. Obama stated it when he was saying they should go and started preparing where they will be putting their people in isolation immediately it happens. Obama stated it. So now, where Trump can't talk saying don't know anything, they can't remind them, say, remember, say he has told you that you started building something because so time there's going to be a pandemic. Osama bin Laden is dead, they killed him. I still have the tape. Osama bin Laden was addressing his people in Arab that you people should not allow these people to operate because they are planning a virus that they will attach it to coronavirus. Are you getting me? So because they know he know their secrets, they fight against him. Before you and I know, say the guy is talking about the whole world. All of you are talking, saying, now Muslim, kill them. Now Muslim, kill them. Now Muslim, kill them. Saddam Hussein I'm talking about. Saddam Hussein, he said it in his language before they kill him. Long ago, he has a meeting with his people. He said there is going to be a time they are going to bring out a virus and they are going to attach it to coronavirus. Are you getting me? Americans were planning for 2019. The Chinese discovered they are planning for 2019. Chinese are waiting for their equation to balance. China and American, they are going to come together so that Chinese are going to become the champions of the economy of the world, which they are already now. Within 6 months, in less than 6 months. In less than 6 months, they have achieved what they have never achieved for 40 years. Are you getting me now? They now started doing it because the Italians knew what. Hey, go and say, don't stand paper stand alone. They are killing the economy of this person that is selling this thing here. They will stand from morning till night. They will look headline. Nobody will buy one, and they will argue for what they don't know. Are you getting me? Go and find out. The Italians discovered that this is from Chinese and America. They decided not to talk to America. They decided not to talk to Chinese. They went on their own, started searching for their own remedy. Now they got their remedy. That in a day they were able to cure 140 patients. 140 Chinese and Italy. 140,000 in a day. How many times do you want me to tell you? Which language you want? Nigeria, you go say, I said I won't put on my shirt. They go come I won't put on my clothes. Nigeria go, they ask me, Nabobondiga, I've been a shirt. I said I won't put on clothes. Must you know whether Nabobondiga I've been a I don't want to walk naked. I said I won't put on my clothes. I don't want to walk naked. You can't ask me, say, Nabobondiga, I've been a shirt, I've been a this. This is Nigeria for you. I said, coronavirus is real. COVID-19 is 419. Coronavirus, you get them, I get them. That's the time when you don't begin, you don't get it go. My brother, take ordinary water. Tomorrow morning, when you take anti-malaria, you go. Go, if I'm not sure of what I'm saying, make you go and bring me the toy. They don't do the toy now for over 60 years. It's there behind it, they advertise it, that it is anti-coronavirus. I say, go and bring the toy. The company has been existing for more than 60 years. It is there in their adverts. It is anti-coronavirus. God bless you. You want the technocrats. You want the technocrats. You want him to talk like Trump. And you start working on it. You know the stupidity in Nigerians. We didn't sit down to find out what do we really want. Me. What exactly do I really want? Me. What do I want? Before I now think of what am I even going to offer somebody, it's our problem. Go and check the social media. The whole news that came today is that then they do Simon for Buhari sit down for chair. Is that a news? Is that what we are supposed to be looking at? Go and check social media. That when Mr. President sit down in a mosque, which Islamically it is allowed. After he finished praying now, he said, cannot take it. Even me too, I do it for my room. If I want to pray, I get my chair one side. My back cannot contain it again. I get my chair. You can come there, go and show you. I sit down on my chair and continue my prayers. Is that a crime? It has become what you are putting on social media. He doesn't know. No. If you say it's getting returned, you just fear the creator on what he's doing. Like what I said before I come on here. I said, I employ you for a service. That I have seen you that this is what you specialize on. I employ you for that service. When I employ you for that service now, then you now start, I know I give you the right to do your job because it's your job. You now started messing up. Could it be my fault? Could that be my fault? When we are doing the findings about COVID-19, we are talking of corona. When we are talking of COVID-19, before they know it's during COVID-19, they send the Director General, NCDC, and the Minister of Health. They went out with some of their team. They were there in China doing their own findings on what can we do and what is exactly on ground. Are you getting me? At that time, the government folded their arms, waiting for the people who are in charge of this thing to come back and give them a report on that thing. You and I were shouting, Mr. President, no talk. Trump is talking. Mr. President, no talk. Trump is talking. Which kind of president we get? The animal we get? The goat we get? They said it. He was not saying anything. These people came back with their report. They brought the report to him. And they showed the whole world that this is the report they brought. 48 hours after they brought their own report. Before that time, how many people are dying of COVID-19? Did you hear anybody die that time? Did you hear anybody die for isolation that time? Before they announced, did you hear say people die for isolation that time? Before they talk, did you know say the thing they kill like anything before? We don't hear anything. So immediately he announced, he said it in his statement. I listened to it very well, religiously. He said, I feel for you, Nigerians. He said, I feel for you, Nigerians. Because this is a hard time that we have to feel for ourselves what is on ground. At the end of the day he announced that the only thing we need is quarantine and this and partial lockdown. 2 days after it, Lagos started getting 20, 30, 40. And the moment the people in the north, they hear say they don't give Oshibanjo, what do you call it, this our ATM for Lagos. Sanwo Olu ATM card. The moment, it's an ATM card. Yes, I'm saying it. Put it live. It's an ATM card to his brother, to his fathers who fixed him there. His godfathers. The moment they hear say they give him 2 billion, 10 billion, what happened? Everybody now started opening his own place. We get corona for our place, so up till now, idea of what do you call it for Cross River State, he never get one person. As stubborn as Bello be, he never get one person. They come begin say them go arrest him. The national cake, where you must share to them, anything can happen after that. That is one thing I first put ahead of you. I said, if personally I assigned you, you remember the type of, you remember, maybe your cameraman will be able to remember very well in your studio. When I was telling you that your boss bring me inside the studio and he now introduced me to you and we should go on with our interview. He said, have a wonderful day. And that's all, and he went. And you people started interviewing me. Are you getting me? Why is your boss not interviewing me? Because he believes in your own capability to be able to handle that interview. That is why he has employed your service. So after I left, if after you leave his place, he now discovered that maybe palliative, there is something between me and you, it's now a different case, which he cannot find out because you are already there, you are sitting on top of it, you cannot see it. He cannot see it. If I have employed the service of somebody to do something for me and that person went there and so I'm messed up, will that be my own fault? Are you getting me? Will that be my own fault? It cannot be my own fault. It's going to be the fault of it. Do you know how it works in Nigeria? Let me give you an example at a small level. Nigerian parents, they will send their children to school. They want he or she to be a medical doctor. Are you getting me? So now the boy or the girl is coming back from America, where he or she has gone to study medicine. By the time he gets back home, he now meet the father that the father is sick. The father has malaria. Are you getting me? Or probably typhoid. Daddy, what's wrong with you? He said, I don't understand myself. He said, Junior, you come here. You go and get me the syringe. You go and get me this. He said, no. Don't treat me. Let them go and call the family doctor who have been treating me before I marry your mother. He is the person that sent the boy to school into no trust his own son as a medical doctor. And this is where he has spent his money on. 30 minutes after it, the moment he's healthy, he will pick his phone. Jagaban of Africa, Jagaban Gogwaye, how you day? My son is back. Oh, I want you to make him minister. I want you to make him commissioner of health. Somebody that he did not allow.